delegates and friends. এরকম করে হবে?
হ্যাঁ ভাই, ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে।
I am very happy to see you assembled here in this monastery established by Swami Vivekananda himself almost a century ago. This happens to be the headquarters of the Ramakrishna Mission and Ramakrishna Mutt, and you have come here out of your love for Swami Vivekananda. How happy he must be feeling. His presence we feel everywhere, at all times. This is the place that he liked Sri Ramakrishna to be established in. He was so happy to be able to install Sri Ramakrishna, his Guru, on this site. I still feel the presence of Swamiji, and he is carrying the relics of Sri Ramakrishna and placing it here to remain here established for centuries, blessing the world. So his blessings must be still showered on everyone here. I am so sorry that you had to put up with a lot of inconveniences because of the beastly weather. As you have seen, we had no other way to save you from that trouble, but I know you did not mind it because of your love for Swamiji. Here, Swamiji not only established his master, but he started the monastery and set the order in place from the beginning, preparing the rules and regulations for conducting the business of this monastery, and where he dreamed hundreds of young men will come and dedicate their lives to the ideal that Ramakrishna Vivekananda stood for. So this is full of the holy memory of Sri Ramakrishna's living presence, as well as the presence of his devotees, his disciples, who were at the helm of affairs from the beginning of this monastery. We shall be celebrating the century of the establishment of the monastery after only a few years, so it is still the augury of that celebration as it were. I am so happy that you have come and put up with all these inconveniences. If the weather were a little finer, you would have enjoyed your stay here much better, but we could not help it. We tried our utmost to make it as much bearable as possible for you, But I know, in spite of all our efforts, it is not a very enjoyable journey that you had, and your love for the organization, for Sri Ramakrishna and Swamiji has compelled you to bear all these inconveniences, and I hope you will excuse us for the difficulties that you had been put to. I accord you a happy welcome and hope you will feel the presence of the great personages, Swamiji and his master, in this holy precincts of Belur Math, and we shall try to make it bearable for you to just to undertake the return journey to Calcutta, which will be, I am afraid, as bad as you felt when you came. But there is no help. After all, this is Calcutta. But Calcutta, with all its inconveniences, has got a very spiritual content. It is here that Sri Ramakrishna preached his doctrine of harmony of religions. It is here where Swamiji was born, and it is here that he started his life of helping humanity. It was here that Sri Ramakrishna used to come and gather his disciples, taught them for their future work, and later on gave them the mission of perpetuating the ideals that Sri Ramakrishna lived and preached. Now that is what we remember, has to be kept in mind when you just go through the difficulties. I am hopeful that you will not mind our shortcomings, you will not mind the beastly weather, and when you go back you will carry with you the memories of the great spiritual personages, and if possible, in spite of our shortcomings, our feeling with which we welcome you. Thank you all.